Hello, welcome to another episode of The Real Test. Today we've got the brand new Gear S3. Nope, this is it, the S3. Or the Gear S2 was undoubtedly a great smartwatch, with a stunning design, smooth user experience and one of the best battery life on a smartwatch. The only problem I've got is how tiny it is. This time around, the Gear S3 has been scaled up to a 46mm base design, with a 22mm strap. The classic variant of the Gear S3 does have a simplistic, classic, business-style design. The key is the stainless steel body on the S3 together with a matte finish on the frontier here. The build quality and the design itself are not on the same level. The Gear S3 is one of the most beautiful yet rugged smartwatch out there. It is also IP68 water industry resistant. The Frontier also offers military grading durability. If you are looking for a cool, premium yet well-built smartwatch, it is the one. And the scrollable bezel is back. The circular interface with the scrolling control, what a perfect match. It is still running Samsung's in-house Tizen OS, but it is indeed buttery smooth. As usual, we have a back button at the top, a home button at the bottom. They protrude a little bit more compared to the last generation, but they are super clicky. The user interface, however, more or less the same as last year's software. Pulling down from the top, we'll have a bunch of quick settings. They did a really great job in balancing the touch and the scrolling input. Sometimes I scroll to impress people around me, but sometimes I have to touch the screen to confirm my selections. So it's not a screen that is touchable, but a touch screen that you will need instead. Personalization, however, the S3 is certainly better than its predecessor. Apart from those font size, watch face settings, we are getting background style as well. Basically it turns the pure black background into some glowing pattern to suit your style. The selection of the watch faces is also much wider than the S2. The thing is, the designs are much more mature and usable. No matter if you pick up a digital or pointer-based watch face, you are getting some of the best looking design I've ever seen on a smartwatch. While some of them are even programmable, you will need a phone to get full customization settings for sure. But impressive. Back on the main feature, the way it shows and interacts with notifications. It's not running Android Wear for sure, but it catches notifications in split of a second. Notifications from apps like Gmail can also be expanded. While if you want, it supports instant reply as well for some apps, like I'm now responding to a group chat on WhatsApp. There we've got a series of short messages like saying yes or no. We can also scroll back to the top and reply with all the emojis that you are familiar with. What amazed me, however, was the keyboard. Typing on a tiny screen is not a very good idea, to be honest. So move on to another surprising feature. Last time we couldn't talk on the watch, mainly because the S2 was lacking a loudspeaker. But this time around we've got a really loud loudspeaker. And the S3 Frontier supports LTE network with eSIM technology. But using just Bluetooth, we can make a call on the watch as well. Amazing.
Okay, 好啊，好啊，3件快。
Other stuffs are mainly health and fitness centric, recording the number of steps and the heart rate for sure, but nothing's out of our imagination. So overall, the Gear S3 Frontier is a well-designed and durable smartwatch, with IP68 water industry resistant, military grading durability and a stainless steel body. Swapping from screen to screen is buttery smooth, and the entire system's really responsive. The features, well, it certainly meets your expectation, with even stuff that you may never use. What an amazing watch and beautiful design. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Like it if you like it and subscribe also. See you next time.